How to change and manage your message format on Microsoft Outlook. Hello guys, so all what you have to do is simple. Go right here to the top, click settings, go down and click view all Outlook settings. Now all what you have to do is click on mail right here, the second option after general, click compose and reply, go right here, scroll down until you find message format. Now choose if you want your format, for example always show BCC, always show from, compose messages in HTML, or you can choose from here. You can manage the text and all those stuff. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe.